Ready when you are.
Right, assembly of modular wardrobes. Within the pack will be a diagram to show you how the modular wardrobe should look when it's been put together. Initially start by putting the plinth in the position that the customer wants, with the flat back against the wall. It's absolutely imperative that the plinth is perfectly level to make a solid build. So firstly, level up the plinth with the shims that are included in the pack. Normally the floor will be level, but if it's uneven, like this one is ever so slightly in that corner, place a shim under the plinth, out of sight, where it can't be seen, to provide a nice firm base for the build to take place on. Firstly, add the base units. In this case, it's a double drawer unit and a single drawer unit. Okay, and place the base unit onto the plinth, ensuring it's tight up against the edge and tight up against the front, like so. Next, add the second base unit. Again, ensuring it's tight up against the front and square with the rest of the unit. Like so. Ensure they're nice and square before you start up adding the next layer. The next layer is the middle units. Again, as shown on the diagram, the double cupboard on top of the double drawers, the single cupboard on top of the single drawers. Line it up on the front edge of the unit so that it's nice and square. Next, add the single unit. And again, make sure that the unit's nice and square and lined up properly with the base unit, like so. Next stage is to add the top units. Again, refer to your diagram. The double cupboard on top of the double cupboard, the single cupboard on top of the single cupboard. Again, line up the unit with the unit below to make sure it's nice and square. And finally, add the last unit. And again, make sure it's nice and square. The only thing to do now is to lock the whole thing together by putting the top on the top. With the top, the decorative moulded hedge goes to the front of the unit. and ensure that the backs fit into the slot at the rear of the top.
Oscar for that, right?
You want what? Like so. Then we take four Allen bolts and the Allen key. The key first is to lock the two ends in by using the holes on the top with the corresponding holes in the unit. Put them in, wind them down slightly, and then fit the middle screws into the centre of the top. And it's simply a case winding the bolt down with the Allen key. You do not have to over tighten these. Oop. Right, it's definitely going on UV framed.
We'll make some money on this one.
Until the head of the bolt is flush with the top of the top. Do the same on this corner and then move to the other side